Hello, welcome to Cumorah Academy. So today we have the family day, and it is a day really excited for the students and for the people that is here from Natural Deck. So what we are doing is that we have a passport like this, and they can put in a sticker in each country. Each house has different countries, and they will present everything from that country. It will be so much fun. So come with me, I will show you everything. So which country are you guys representing?
United Kingdom.
Nice. And what activities are you going to do today?
Today we'll be doing British Bulldog, welly wagging, and Piggy in the Middle.
Nice, thank you so much. I see you. Bye. Okay, so we're here with Bruno.
Yes.
So which country are you guys representing today?
Japan, the best. So the first tables are the origami. So we're doing like origami with the people so the Czechs can have this opportunity. And also the other tables, we're doing like the lettering. It's been amazing. The people are having fun. And yeah, we have like hearts, we have wolves, we have frogs, every kind of origami that you want to.
Awesome, thank you so much, Bruno.
Thank you.
Okay, so here we have people painting faces for the kids. And Ingrid, can you tell us a little bit about what you are doing here?
Yeah, we are doing face painting and I'm so happy. It's really good and the kids are so happy.
Awesome, thank you. So here we have Steph. Steph, can you tell us what are you doing here, the country and your activities?
Yes, well, we are now, like, the people are coming and we are, like, giving to them some flags in their passport of Ukraine. And we are inviting them to play with us, musical chairs and also balloons.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Welcome.
See you. Okay, perfect. So we have Mexico here.
Okay, we have these girls. It's a Mexican girl, and also we have the piñata there. We have other here.
We have put the tail on the donkey, and we also have this thing, loteria. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Can you tell me more about your activities in the country that you are representing?
USA, USA, USA.
We have our nice Nerf war in here, and that has been a hit. Big success.
Awesome.
We also play basketball, and Cindy likes to dunk it. Let's see her.
This is for the United States of America.
Yeah. Go, Cindy.
Last but not least, we're gonna head on over to the conference room later today, and we're gonna be doing some country dancing, teaching everyone how to dance. Come on into the Nerve Lounge. Got our obstacles set up. We have our guns over here. So they come on in, they grab some protective eyewear, they grab their weapon of choice, and we have some bullets scattered around the room, and participants will come and they have a chance to just have a fun Nerf battle.
Esther, can you tell us a little bit what are you guys doing here?
For sure. Well, we are teaching about the dance is calling Olha Onda, Olha Onda. It is so special in Brazil. We are teaching about the guys here in Czech.
Awesome.
Makes sense?
Yeah, makes sense. Thank you so much.
I think so.
Are you here? And which is your house? And which country do you have?
My house is Moronai, and the country we have is Brazil.
And what activities are you guys doing today?
Well, we are playing Brazilian football, you know?
Yes. Do you have any other activities?
That is like all of the warm-up, different activities, and we have some of Brigadeiro too.
So today was a really special day for Cumorah. We had the opportunity to have a lot of people from Natural Deck and to make a lot of dances, give them food, and show about our cultures because as we know, we have a lot of students from all over the world and it was so much fun. But the most important thing was that we accomplished the purpose of Cumorah, that is to serve the others. So we had a lot of fun. It was so amazing and we really liked this experience. So thank you so much.